As responsible pet owners, we cherish the companionship and unconditional love our furry friends bring into our lives. Just like any family member, pets deserve the utmost care, especially during times of emergencies. Natural disasters, accidents, or unexpected incidents can strike at any moment, leaving us with little time to react. That's why it's crucial for every pet owner to be well prepared to protect and care for their beloved animals during such challenging situations. In this video, we'll explore essential tips and guidelines for emergency preparedness, ensuring your pets stay safe and secure during times of crisis. 1. Develop a pet-specific emergency plan. Creating a comprehensive emergency plan for your pets is the first step to ensure their safety during unexpected events. Include essential information, such as your pet's medical records, vaccination history, microchip details, and any relevant medications in a waterproof folder. Also, maintain updated identification tags with your contact information on your pet's collar. 2. Build an emergency kit. A well-stocked emergency kit is essential for any pet owner. Include enough food and water to sustain your pet for at least a week, along with a portable water dispenser. Additionally, pack any medications, a first aid kit, blankets, toys, and waste disposal bags. Keep the kit in a readily accessible place, so you can quickly grab it when needed. 3. Locate pet-friendly evacuation shelters. In times of evacuation, many public shelters may not allow pets due to health and safety regulations. Therefore, research and identify pet-friendly evacuation centers or pet boarding facilities in your area well in advance. Make a list of these options, along with their contact information, and keep it in your emergency folder. 4. Prepare a comfortable carrying case. Having a sturdy and comfortable carrying case for each of your pets is essential. In the event of an evacuation, these cases will provide a secure and stress-free way to transport your animals to safety. Ensure the carriers are labeled with your pet's name and your contact details. 5. Plan for temporary housing. In the event you cannot return home immediately after an emergency, have a temporary housing plan for your pets. Reach out to friends, family members, or pet-friendly hotels in your vicinity to secure a safe place for your animals to stay until you can reunite. 6. Practice evacuation drills. Familiarize your pets with the evacuation process by practicing drills regularly. This will help reduce their anxiety and increase the chances of a smooth evacuation in an actual emergency. Train them to respond to their names and come when called, making it easier to gather them during chaotic situations. 7. Keep emergency contact information handy. In case you are not home during an emergency, ensure your neighbors or nearby friends have access to your pet's information, along with your contact details. This way, they can assist in evacuating your pets if necessary. As a pet owner, it's your responsibility to safeguard your furry companions during times of crisis. By planning ahead and being prepared, you can ensure their safety and well-being. Remember, emergencies can happen when least expected, so don't wait until it's too late to take action.